Hello. In today's presentation, I'll walk you through various aspects of our projects, including the project description, objectives, requirements, design and development process. We will also discuss our alternative solutions, the implementation plan, our future roadmap. So our team name is Mobile App Catalyst, and our goal is to provide a comprehensive overview of how our home decor store app aims to revolutionize the shopping experience for home decor enthusiasts by offering a diverse range of high quality products in an intuitive and user friendly platform. Next slide, please. And these are our group mates' names and myself, Anirudh Buddhapuri, who project leader. And next we have Likita Vemuri, who is mobile application architect, and Ali Khan, mobile application developer. Next one is Manohar, who deals with the quality assurance specialist. And next we have database developer who is Dikshita. And then we proceed to data scientist who is Balvardhan Reddy. Then next is Karthik Adepu who is dealing with security. And next agenda is like the total we have like project description, project objective. Next we have functional and non-functional requirements, alternative solution, project outline development. Then we go on to project design, database development. Then we move on to cloud application testing, application security compliance, implementation, evaluation and future scope, and then we conclude with our conclusion. And while coming on to project description, our mobile application Home Decor Store aims to create a specialized retail space selling a wide range of home decor items, and the goal is to offer various products catering to different tastes and preferences, making it a one-stop shop for all home decoration needs. And next we move on to project objective. Our home decor app will provide a diverse range of high quality products, including furniture, lighting, wall arts, and decorative accessories in styles like modern, classic, rustic, industrial, and bohemian. Then this app will feature a login screen, product viewing, cart, and order screens, creating an intuitive shopping experience that save customers time and effort. Then our main objective is to offer a convenient and hassle-free shopping experience that meets and exceeds customer expectations. Then ultimately we aim to become the go-to destination for all home decor needs, making shopping easier and more enjoyable. Next we move on to functional requirements. Yeah. First we talk with performance. While moving on to performance, we ensure a seamless user experience with fast loading times and quick response time. Then next we have security safeguarding user data and prevent unauthorized access. Then we ensure the app works on various devices for its compatibility. Then we design the app to be user friendly with easy navigation. Then managing the growing user base and high traffic volume and support future updates, we deal with the scalability. Then we deal on with the alternative solutions. Can you please move on to next slide? Yeah. While dealing with the alternative solution, the pros of alternative solution is augmented reality integration, which visualize items in real time within users' homes. Okay, now we come on to project outline development. Can you please move on to next slide? Yeah. Well, now we will be discussing about software development life cycle. First one is planning. It's first one in the planning we have set. We will be setting the project goals and objectives, then determine business requirement and conduct a feasibility study. Then while in the analysis, we will be setting the project. We will be collecting and evaluate user requirements, then define functional and non-functional requirements and develop use cases and user stories. And then coming on to design, we will be developing a system architecture and design, create a wireframe or prototype, then identify hardware and software requirements. Then while coming on to implementation, we'll be writing the code and developing the app, then conduct unit testing and integration testing. And can you please, yeah. The next coming to testing, we'll be performing a system acceptance and usability testing, and then we'll be having a deployment. Can you please move on to the next slide? Yeah. While in the deployment, we'll be releasing the app to production and we'll be monitoring and if there are any issues, and then we'll be fixing it if there are any. And while coming on to maintenance, we'll be providing a ongoing support, ensuring the app meets user requirements, which makes updates and enhancements as needed. And our design phase includes developing system architecture, creating wireframes, and identifying necessary hardware and software. And we'll develop a robust database for leveraging cloud services to ensure scalability, reliability, and security of applications. And next, and our project design will be explained by my teammate, Likta Vemuri, who is mobile application architect.
Hello everyone, I am Likita Vemuri. I have worked on a project design for the mobile application architect. Coming to the next slide of project, we are having 4 types of designs, which are user interface design, product catalog design.
So you can see how many items are placed with price, and in the about developers, you can see the names of the developers and the team who work for the app.
And cart and checkout design, user registration and authentication. Coming to the user interface design, we are having development of simple and user interface for the app, using of colors and graphics to make the app visually appealing, ensure the app is responsive and works well on different devices and screen sizes. Coming to the product catalog design, creating a catalog of products that includes images, descriptions, and prices, organizing products by category such as seasonal, organic, or local, enabling. And coming to the cart and checkout design, allows user to add products to a virtual cart, provide a checkout process that is secure and easy to use, enable users to view their order history and track their orders. Coming to the user registration and authentication, providing a registration process for the users to create an account, implementation and authentication system to secure user data, and allowing users to reset their passwords if needed. Coming to the next slide, we are having the components of Android Studio 4.1.2 and Java, XML, and HTTP and Google file-based platform database. And coming to the next slide, we are having the system architecture and the user and Android phone from the Java to Firebase platform, web services, and databases. And coming to the project progress evaluation, we are having of project milestones, which break down the project into specific milestones such as the UI designs, product catalog and development, cart and checkout implementation. Define specific timelines and goals for each milestone. Track progress. Every alternate day, we had a Zoom call to update individual status. Test app functionality, which conducts the testing to ensure the app's features and functionality are working as intended. And coming to the feedback within the team who have tested the app, identify areas for the improvement and adjusted the project plan as needed. Moving to the next slide, we are having the milestones for the progress evaluation of UI design completed, product catalog development completed, and cart and checkout implementation completed, user testing and feedback gathered, and final app testing and launch. And this from the next slide, Dikshita will continue.
Hi, this is Dikshita. So I worked on the database development. So we used the Firebase database. This is the NoSQL database. We used the NoSQL database to enhance the features to track the orders and also the personalized. Change the slide. To identify and to personalize the customer experiences through the databases. As we know that NoSQL databases uses the graph model, where it's easy to store the data as it tracks the personalized of the customers. So next slide. So this is the product. So home decor have the many products. So they are the sofas, tables. So Data is stored in the manner of graphs so that it helpful for the customers to identify their insurance or like something like what they need. Next slide. So Abbas Ali Khan and Balavardhan will go ahead with this.
So, hello everyone. My name is Saklan Abbas Ali Khan and I am a mobile application developer. So, we have deployed various types of screens in this app, that is login screen, home page to view the product catalog, cart view, order page, order history, and setting page. Can you change the slide? Okay, so this is the login screen where we enter our phone number to get OTP and register with the application. This is the home page. This is the cart view where whenever we add anything, it is shown in the cart. This is the order page. When we want to confirm the order, which was there in the cart, it is shown here. This is the developers page. This is about the general info presented in this page. This is the Firebase service call, and this is the database entry. This is fetching order details from the Firebase service. So rest will be explained by Balavardhan.
Hello everyone, Balavardhan Reddy Malayala. I'm the architect. Here I've developed an app with the front end back end. I'm a full stack developer too. Actually, for now we use a temporary login ID with the number and the OTP. If we get the OTP, we'll log in. But by default, we give a default OTP as 123456, as you can see in the screen and the video. Here we use the Firebase database, which is developed by Google, which is used for web and mobile applications backend support, where most of the startups are used by this backend of Firebase. Here the OTP comes from JSON file for the Firebase, where we have configured extra extension so that we can get the OTP. And coming to cart, this is a home screen. You can see home Decor store and orders and about our page. So for the home screen, we directly push all the data where we store in the database. For example, as they say that all the database are stored in the Firebase, real-based database console in the Firebase console. So all the data will be retrieved from there with the support of APIs. So for every item, we have unique ID for example, sofa table, there will be unique ID for all the stuff. So here users can take the order from how many they want, how many they choose. For example, they want 1 or 2 or 3, they can change from the plus or minus, place which is for how many they want. You can see the code as a we created an overview for all the widgets and the screens. And you can after choosing what the user want, it will be shown as a review order. In this page, we selected all the items where is selected, and we selected to another API, another screen. We pass all the variables, all the data, and so that they can choose, they can see what they ordered. So once they click place order, they will pop up a separate sliding window called order placed successfully. Then you can see all the history, what you ordered. For example, you order 3 items with a unique ID of order ID, so that we can retrieve all the stuff. And we also shows how much amount was selected and the orders. And from here, Manohar is a testing department. He explains all the stuff.
Yeah, hi, I'm Manohar. I did mobile application testing. Next slide. Yeah, when it comes to testing, it has functional testing. It means verified the application's functionality to ensure it meets the requirements specified in the software requirements specification document. Performance testing. It means assessed the application's performance to confirm it can handle a high volume of items and transactions without crashing or slowing down. Usability testing. We evaluated the application usability to ensure it is user friendly and easy to navigate. Next slide. When it comes to security testing, I tested the application security to ensure that user data is protected from any potential threats. And also compatibility testing. I tested the application's compatibility with different devices and operating systems to ensure that it works seamlessly across all the platforms. And also regression testing. I tested the application after any changes or updates to ensure that new changes do not cause any issues or bugs. This is the testing matrix. Here you can see the scenarios and status. All the scenarios are passed. Next slide. From here, my friend Karthik will explain.
Yeah, I'm Karthik, and my role in this project is security specialist. And in checklist, we have 5 types of things. First one is secure data storage. Secure stored user data such as login credentials and other information. After that, user authentication implemented a secure authentication mechanism such as OTP authentication to prevent unauthorized access to user accounts. And the next one is secure communication. Use secure communication protocols such as HTTPS to protect user data during transmission over the internet. And the next one is code analysis. In this, conduct a regular code analysis to identify and fix any potential security vulnerabilities in the application code. And last one is secure third-party libraries. In this, the user only trusted and secure third-party libraries in the application to prevent any potential and security vulnerabilities. And in the real world scenario, a customer uses an Android app to log in or browse home decor item categories, select a desired products and units, add to cart, and providing bill and shipping details. They can track their order in real time and receive notification upon delivery. Next slide, please. And evaluation. The Android app for home e-commerce shopping has successfully provided customers with a convenient way to purchase products online. The user-friendly interface allows easy selection of desired products and qualities, enhancing the overall customer experience. The real-time order tracking system has boosted customer satisfaction and helped the store increase sales. The app has enabled the store to manage inventory and orders more efficiently and improving operational efficiency. Will come into future scope, the personalized recommendations, comparison of prices and quality of products and loyalty program can be added to enhance the app features. The expansion of an app to include other home decor products items can increase the range of products available to the customers. And the integration with social media platform can enable customers to share feedback, helping stores to improve services. The expansion of app to include multiple languages can cater to more diverse customer base. And here is a sample video of how our app works. And finally, conclusion. The Android mobile application for online shopping or home decor products has successfully delivered a convenient and user-friendly platform for customers by enhancing the customer experience and operational efficiency. The app has set a strong foundation in the online shopping market. In future updates, including personalized recommendation and social media integration, promises to further enrich its further and features and its lifestyle. Overall, the app has opened new avenues for online shopping and created significant opportunities for growth in the home decor market. And this is our presentation.